In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add checkboxes in Pandadoc. Checkboxes are useful when you need someone to confirm an item, agree to a term, or select an option before signing. This is especially helpful for consent statements, acknowledgements, or simple yes or no selections inside a document. To begin, open the document or template where you want the checkbox to appear. You can do this from your Pandadoc dashboard by selecting the correct file and entering the editor. Make sure you are in the editing view where you can add and arrange fields on the page. If you are working with a template, any checkboxes you add will be reused for future documents created from that template, so take a moment to confirm you are editing the right version. Next, move your attention to the right-hand sidebar. This is where Pandadoc keeps the available fields you can place into your document. Find the checkbox field in that sidebar, then drag it directly onto the page. As you drag it in, place it near the text it relates to, such as next to an agreement line or under a short statement the recipient needs to acknowledge. Positioning matters, so align it neatly with the surrounding content to keep the document clean and easy to read. After the checkbox is on the page, click the field to configure it. You will need to assign it to a recipient, which tells Pandadoc who is responsible for checking that box. This is important in documents with more than one signer or participant, because each field must belong to the correct person. Once the checkbox is selected, use the Properties menu to choose whether it is required or optional. Set it to required when the recipient must check the box before they can complete the document. Set it to optional when it is not mandatory, but still available for selection. Take a quick moment to review the checkbox placement and settings before you send the document out. Confirm it is assigned to the correct recipient and that the required or optional setting matches your intent. And that is all there is to it.